Hey everyone. If you want to create a professional logo for free without Photoshop, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through how to make a logo in Photopea step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. First, open Photopea and create a new project. Set the canvas size to 1000 by 1000 pixels, which is perfect for logos because it keeps everything sharp and scalable. Next, choose your background. Most professional logos use a transparent background or a simple, solid color, so the design stays clean and versatile. Now use the shape tool to build the base of your logo. Simple shapes like circles, squares, or custom forms help create a strong and recognizable structure. Then add your brand name using the text tool. Pick bold, simple fonts that are easy to read even when the logo is small. After that, customize your colors. Try to stick to 2 or 3 colors max so your logo looks professional and not too crowded. You can also add light effects like stroke or shadow. Just keep it subtle so the logo stays clean and modern. Finally, export your logo by going to File and clicking Export As. Choose PNG format so your logo supports transparency and can be used anywhere. So yeah, that's how you make a logo in Photopea. It's simple, fast, and completely free. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more beginner design tutorials for easy tips and tricks.